In this lesson, we're going to divide two fractions. So if we have a problem like this that says divide and make sure the answer is in lowest terms. So we're going to divide 1/2 by 4/7, 4/7. So I have a video in the description that goes through in detail using a model why we do it this way. But for this video, I'm just going to do it with the steps that we learned. And then if you need to review the model version, just take a look at the description and you'll follow it there. So the first step is remember the rule keep, change, flip. Okay? So when we divide two fractions, this is the rule we need to remember. Keep, change, flip. So we keep this. So here it is. Then we're going to change this. This division becomes a multiplication. And then we flip this fraction. So here it is flipped, 7/4. Now we multiply as you would normally for a fraction. And again, there's links in the description on multiplying fractions. But we know that to multiply fractions, you just multiply the top with the top and the bottom with the bottom. So we know that 7 times 1 is 7, and then 4 times 2 is 8. So the answer equals 7/8. The final step here would be to reduce the fraction, but in this case, this is already in lowest terms, so we don't need to do anything further. So this is just a quick lesson on dividing fractions. And don't worry if you don't get this right away, you could rewatch the video as well. Like I said, take a look at the description. There's other videos of mine that go through some of these other concepts in detail using models. As well, you can download the ebook. In the ebook, I have this exact lesson in there, and you could click on the link in the ebook. It'll take you right to this video, and you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.